Today we're looking at the phrasal verb get over, and you hear this a lot in everyday English conversations. Let's start by learning how to say it in a fast, natural way. Because the first word in this phrase, get, ends in a consonant sound, that's a t sound, and the second word over starts with a vowel sound, we're going to move that t sound from get to the front of the O in over. So get over becomes get over, get over. And at a natural speed, get over. You try, get over. Now, one of the first meanings of get over is a physical action, and it means to successfully go across or past something. This is the Mersey ferry, and I used to use this every day to get over the river to go to college. Get over the river. But that's just one use. It can also mean that you're moving on from a difficult or unpleasant situation. I heard you've been ill.
Yes, I've got a bad cold.
Well, I hope you get over it soon.
I'm sure I will, but what I won't get over is you owing me some money.
Another use for get over is for when something is difficult to accept. Imagine someone tells you some really bad news and you're struggling to deal with it. You might say, I just can't get over it.
Why are you so upset?
I've just heard that my parents are getting a divorce.
It might take some time, but you will get over it.
Watch out for the next phrasal verbs lesson in this series. I'll see you next time.